Hey everyone! Welcome back to my kitchen, where I attempt to cook, often set off the smoke alarm, and occasionally create something edible. Today, we're kicking off a special series called Around the World in 5 Dishes, International Flavors at Home. In each episode, we'll travel to a different country through our taste buds. First stop, Italy. We're making a classic spaghetti carbonara, and we'll be using some fantastic, ethically sourced ingredients. I'm talking Barilla pasta, Belgioioso Parmigiano Reggiano, and Pancetta from Columbus Craft Meats. These brands are committed to sustainability and high-quality products, making our dishes not only delicious, but also kinder to the planet. Let's start with our pasta. Boil your Barilla spaghetti until al dente, fancy word for not mushy. Fun fact, Barilla is dedicated to sustainable agriculture and reducing CO2 emissions. In a pan, cook your pancetta until crispy. Columbus Craft Meats uses humane practices and ensures their meats are antibiotic-free. Add this crispy goodness to your pasta. Now for the magic. Mix eggs, Belgioioso Parmigiano Reggiano, and a generous amount of black pepper. This cheese is made from local, RBST-free milk, supporting small dairy farmers. Combine everything with the pasta off the heat to avoid scrambled eggs. Voila! Italy in a bowl, folks. Tastes like a gondola ride through Venice, minus the water and singing gondolier. Thanks for joining me on this Italian adventure. Remember, great food starts with great ingredients. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so you don't miss the next stop on our culinary journey. Next up, we're heading to Japan. Until next time, happy cooking and bon appetit!